Now, a new cotton ginnery nearing completion in Mpeketoni, Lamu County, is transforming the region by reviving cotton farming, creating jobs and drawing young people back to agriculture. Now, Lamu Farmers Cooperative Society chairperson Migwi Mwangi says construction of the cotton ginnery is 95% complete, with installation of modern ginning machines set to begin next month.
The new large-scale cotton ginnery in Mpeketoni, Lamu County, often referred to as the Lamu Cotton Ginning and Oil Extraction Plant developed, is expected to revitalize the cotton industry in the coastal region.
Kazi ambao tunafanya katika ukulima wa pamba inatupatia mapato. Ni kwa sababu ukiweza kupata ama wakati serikali imetupatia variety ambao ni mzuri, ile ya BT cotton. Kwa eka moja tuna uwezo wa kuzalisha kuanzia tani 1 mpaka tani 1.5.
The facility is set to address the long-standing security and logistical challenges that have affected cotton farmers in the area.
The farmers in Lamu as a whole have no operational ginnery, and this applies to the entire coastal region.
The construction of the ginnery, coupled with assurance of a ready market, job creation, value addition, and an increase in cotton prices, has renewed confidence in the cash crop.
Na vijana walilima mwaka jana, mwaka juzi, na walipolima wakapata, kuna kijana moja alipata shilingi 400,000 kutoka kwa zao la pamba. Ile 400,000 ilifanya vijana wengi sana kuvutiwa na kilimo cha pamba.
Currently, there are over 10,000 cotton farmers in Lamu County. Sylvia Gatti reporting for Lunchtime News.